Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a Canva newsletter in Zeffy. So please watch till then to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Zeffy, you can use our link in the description down below and you can get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So right here, what you're going to do is to go to the Zeffy website and log in your account, and after logging in your account you will be redirected to the dashboard right here. And if you want to create a newsletter on Zeffy, you just need to go under communication right here, click it, and under communication there will be a button right here. It says new email and you just need to click that on the top right corner, and you just need to create a new email, and that email will be based on a newsletter. So right here you need to create an email. You will be prompted to choose a template. So there's a bunch of templates that you can use, but since we're using Canva templates, or Canva design, we need to start from scratch. So click start from scratch, and after that you will be redirected to the Zeffy editing website or editing page. So this is the Zeffy editing page. As you can see, it is blank, and what you're going to do here is let's stay it as it is. What we're going to do now is we need to go to Canva and search for a newsletter template. So newsletter, search for newsletter right here. And after that, as you can see, there's a bunch of newsletter templates that you can use. But if you want, you can purchase a pro subscription so that you can select all of this. So there's a bunch of beautiful newsletter, but I'm going to choose this one because it's free. So let's choose this newsletter template. Click customize this template, and we'll be redirected to the Canva editing page. Now, what you're going to do now is you know make some changes on the template. So make sure that you don't just upload this template as it is. You need to make some changes so that you can make the template unique to yourself. So make sure to change some background color if you want. For example, let's change this to red, for example, and change the font size to, yeah, some, make some change of colors, and make this template unique to yourself. You don't need to change the layout, just everything on the template itself, the text, the color, the font size, and yeah, etc, etc. So make sure that you make your Canva newsletter template unique to yourself. So after making some changes, you just need to save it as a embedded code. So in order to do that, you just need to click this one on the top right corner, share, and after clicking that, click see all right here. And after clicking see all, these options will appear and you will see embedded option. So you just need to click that, click embed again, and it will generate an HTML embedded code and an HTML embedded link. So what you're going to do is to copy this embedded HTML code right here. So after copying it, just go back to Zeffy again, and right here on Zeffy, what we need to do now is to add a embedded block. So in order to do that, just click content right here on the left corner, and right here there will be an HTML block or element, and you just need to click it and drag it whenever you want on workspace. So after doing that, this will appear hello world, and you just need to click this one, and the content properties will appear on the left side. And right here you just need to delete this one and paste the HTML embedded code that you copied. So right here. So after pasting it, as you can see, the the template, the newsletter Canva template will be inserted right here on your Zeffy, and you just need to click next right here. You just need to input your subject line, the sender, and the reply to address. And if you want to attach some files, you can do so. You can, if you want to attach an external file for this newsletter, you can do so. So after doing that, just click next again, and you just need to add your recipients now. You just need to input all emails you want to send this newsletter with, and you're done. That's it. So you just need to choose where to send and you're finished. And that's how you can add a Canva newsletter on Zeffy. And also that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.